We are going to start the top of the fifth. We have some changes for Bandits. Ellis is now pitching. He is throwing to Ben. Adam is at first. Ben R is at second. Owen is at short. Casey's at third. Max is now in left. Dev is in center. Donnell is in right. And Tony's on the bench right now. Number 12 is going to lead off for Mass Hurricanes here in the fifth. It is 4-2. First pitch of the fifth. It's a ball. One and 0 on number 12. It's hit off the end of the bat to second. That's Ben at second. Goes to first, and he's safe. Number 8 is up. He has singled and walked in 2 at-bats this game. Short lead off first. He's going. Ben does not throw. Stolen base. I think it was a strike. Pitch Mellis. That's a strike. Runner at second, no one out. Pitch Mellis. Foul, out of play. Ellis is throwing from shadow into the sun at home plate. Pitch home. Change up. Where was it? It's called a ball. I believe it's 1 and 2. Pitch. Fouled. Pitch. I think it's 2 and 2. 2 and 2. Inside. It's a full count. Full count, runner at second, no one out. It's popped in the air to second. Ben catches it. 1 man out. Number 33 is up. It's a walk and a strikeout in 2 at-bats. Pitch, swing and a miss. Oh and 1. Called strike 2. Oh and 2. Runner is at second. 1 man out. Runner's going. Swing and a miss. They throw to third. They got him. Oh. Oh. Ball was there. 2 men out. Two men out. Runner at third. Number 1 is up. Swing and a miss. Pitch. Just missed. 1-1. Swing and a miss. 1 and 2. One and two, 2 outs. Runner at third. Pitch. Inside tight. 2 and 2. Pitch. Grounder to short. One scores. Five to 2 Hurricanes. Number 6 is up. He's the 9th place hitter in the lineup. Pitch. Swing and a miss. One and 1. Ellis looks in. Pitch home. Hit the left. Max picks it up. Gets it back in. First and second for Hurricanes. Number 10 hitter's coming up. Pitch. Swing and a miss. 0 and 1. Popped to right. Donnell is under it. Oh, he catches it. End of 4 1/2. It's Hurricanes 5, Bandits 2.